welcome to another video. This is Boundless.
It's Boundless.
This is Boundless. Eats Carolina Reaper powder.
Today, we eat a Carolina Reaper.
We're gonna do the Sriracha challenge.
Oh.
My nose. What is that?
Really hot?
Yeah. So for your burger, we're gonna. What the? No, we do our own.
Let's eat a small one. No, we're eating the biggest.
Make sure you definitely click like. Make sure.
Oh, that was so gross.
Thank you for watching. Goodbye, everybody. Thank you for watching.